4 down, 3 to go. I have 3 more exams left, guys. 3. Now that I have 3 papers left, just 3, and my next paper is on Saturday, while the last 2 is next week Monday, and it's all over. I'm getting closer to my freedom. I can now do embedded systems and learn French and explore and do a lot of other things. I can't wait. I really can't wait. But now I have a few days before Saturday, so I still have time, right? Kind of. No, no, don't get distracted. We're focusing on studying, and then after that, focus on embedded systems. So this week is my exam prep too, but I actually have a lot I have to do right now. My room is a complete mess, like complete mess. Because of the exams, it was very tiring. So I'm going to be cleaning up. When I say my room is a disaster, I mean an actual disaster. So let's clean up. After cleaning up my room, I decided to study for a few minutes because if I don't cover up or study this week for the exam I have on Saturday and next week Monday, I wouldn't have enough time because I haven't touched any one of the 3. I have to cover up. But because I have a Saturday is very boring and I don't particularly like it for some reason, I just a turn off. But I decided to study a little today, for like 30 minutes. I gave up after 30 minutes. And I saw a quote in it actually. It said, is it a quote or more like, oh yeah, it's a quote. Scientists, wait, hold on. Yeah, it said, scientists discovered the world that exists, engineers create the world that never was. How nice is that? I just like the sound of it. It's like the sound of it. I feel like that's the only thing that's taking my brain out of everything I read. Anyways, I'm charging my gadgets so that I can be able to use them to study later on. Not today though, maybe tomorrow because I have a manga to read.
I am randomly learning about investment. I don't know why I am learning about investment. I have an exam soon. I left the book for exam and I'm learning about investment. Anyways, in the process of becoming we should learn about financial freedom. I don't even have money to invest. I am broke. I don't have a job. I have nothing and I am learning about investment. I have priority issues, I think.
I am back again to rant. Yeah, you guys are going to listen to my ranting until I finish this exam. So I am back again to rant. People generally have last paper syndrome. I have last 3 papers syndrome. The last 3 papers are frustrating me because my brain thinks we are done. I think we are done. I think we should be done. Generally, I don't know why we're doing so much exams right now. So I just wasted money to print. I could literally just read the PDF version, but no. I said no, I like paper. I read better with paper. No, that's just me gaslighting myself into wasting time. But like I decided to print it out, and this is the material I'll be reading for. I think the summarized version that I'll be reading for my exams on Monday. One of them, and then the other one is VHDL code. I didn't even know that existed. Very high speed, integrated circuits, word description language. I didn't even know there was something like that. Just give me JavaScript. Maybe I will do something about it. Or C. Not too much of C, though, like the simple part of C. But like now, the other code programming languages, I think VHDL. I don't know anything about it. That's the main issue. Like, so am I going to write about it? Whatever, we're going to do it. We don't have a choice. We could do it. We can do it. Yeah. Time flies differently when you have something important that you're not ready for coming up. Like it just flies away because I was Thursday already. I wasted Tuesday and Wednesday doing absolutely nothing, and now it's Thursday, and I have only Thursday and Friday, and Sunday to cover up for everything. That is so not right. Because where's the time flying to? Where? Just chill for me to study. Can't you just pause? Anyways, that's all for my ranting for now. I have to go and study because I don't have a choice. I signed up for it.